Good afternoon. Today is Friday, March 29th, 2024. I'm here at Marsh Landing Marina, and this is a comparison video. I finished that pontoon right there. This one has not been touched yet, so I want you to see how dirty it is on this one compared to how clean it got on that one. And it's mainly due to the paint that we barely have on here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick. Those are tube worms. They're really hard to get off in comparison to barnacles. And this is what the other pontoon's going to look like. Quite a difference, but nonetheless, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the rest of that pontoon, and then I'll do another video.